So put a 15-minute timer on and check the temperature of the oven now. We're at about 300. So we can get to about 450 before I try cooking. Definitely 12 inches is a little too big because it's too close to the flame. And this wooden peel isn't very good for turning. We can get a turner. But did cook through, but I got some spotting there.
There goes the bottom.
I'm gonna under here. So it's browned a little bit too. It's not the way I like it. You guys. All right, so here's my conclusions. I made 3 pizzas. The first one, I kept the flame high, totally burned it. The second one, I brought the flame down, but it still like burned it. I made it smaller as well. And then the third one got a lot better, as you saw in the pictures. But honestly, I'm not a big Neapolitan pizza fan where it's like cooks so fast and it's like really chewy on the inside. I like it to cook through a little more. Having said that, I am getting the leopard spotting results that you guys are looking for, and I'm sure if I give another round, this is my first day try with it, I'm sure I can get a nice beautiful looking Neapolitan margherita. So one of the takeaways from this using this oven on day one is that you know, you definitely got to heat it up with full flame, but bring it down to a minimum when you're cooking. And you know, this is something I got to get used to, but the front of the pizza obviously cooks really fast. Not like 90 seconds fast, like 10 seconds fast, and then it might catch fire, while the back is still raw, so you gotta account for that. So definitely bring the flame down to low. You need about a 10-inch pizza in here. 12 is too big to maneuver and too close to the flame, and while the outside will be slightly hanging out. Follow me if you guys want to see a follow-up video of my next try, okay?